Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of moles again, but we're going to be starting with atoms and going into moles and going into grams, but we're going to look at a compound this time. Last time we did of hydrogen, now we're going to do water, H2O. So there's only a couple extra, or actually really one extra step in which you got to find the molar mass of H2O. So we start with the 12.2 times 10 to the 23rd. Right away, you should be able to see it's roughly going to be around 2 because this is the same 10 to the 23rd exponent as Avogadro's number. And it's roughly twice the 6.02 that we have. So this is atoms of H2O times we're going to have Avogadro's number down here. Up here we're going to have 1 mole. And if you were to do this, you would get your answer for part A. So we have 12.2 23 divided by 6.02 2.0265 so 2.0265 moles of H2O. Now if we do our sig figs here, there are 3 sig figs right there. So there should be 3 here. So if I have 1, 2, 3, this 2 then becomes a 3 because of that 6 trailing behind it. So it'd be 2.03 moles of H2O. Now, let's say you weren't given that previous problem and you wanted to go straight to grams. You would just do the same thing we did above. First go to moles, then go to grams. And then we know that 1 mole of H2O has 18 grams of H2O. How do I come up with that number? Just take 2 times 1, the mass of hydrogen, and there's 2 of the hydrogens in H2O, plus 16 grams for the oxygen, and that'll give you the 18 grams we got there. Okay? And when you do that, you're going to get 36.478 grams of H2O, and that can be changed to 36.5 grams of H2O. If you're not understanding what I'm doing with the sig figs, just go watch the significant figures videos, but that's basically it. All right, you can see there's pretty much a theme that's always using these conversion factors, whether it's moles and atoms or molar mass and moles, right? So let's write that again. So 1 mole, and then the 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. This is true of all the elements, all the compounds. That's how the mole has been defined. Or it's going to be 1 mole and the molar mass. And again, these can be interchanged top to bottom depending on where are your units that you have and where you want to go to. So I hope I've cleared up any confusions that you might have with moles. Make sure you understand this. We'll use moles later on when we're talking about molarity and molality and a bunch of other stuff. Moles play key roles in chemistry, so make sure you understand this concept well. Thank you and have a nice day.